video at the same time. So when I do that, it actually ties the video back to the notes of where I was taking them. You see it highlights what I was taking at the time. And I can jump into any part of this, and it'll take me to the part of the video where I was recording. Now, if I'm recording my professor, and have a little more fun with this, right? Imagine I'm sitting in class, and I've got my professor teaching, I'm taking my notes, and I want a video recording of what he's doing. Well, I'm also a little bit bored in class, so I had a little bit of fun here. I kind of use some of the effects with Windows Live. I mess with his head a little bit, or if I get a little bit bored, I can kind of play with some stuff, and you can go ahead. I play with his mouth right there, and then I go ahead just like that. I can put a hat on him and have a little bit of fun while I'm in class. So that's the way that I use my pen to take notes. It's the way that I'm used to it, and the PC really takes taking notes to that next level. Now, not always taking notes. Sometimes in school I had to solve problems. Well, if I went to school today, I wish more than anything I had this software that I'm going to show you. This right here, this is called Microsoft Mathematics, and we just released this for free, and it would transform the way I was able to do some of my math stuff. This does calculus, trig, geometry, everything you'd expect. So I'll show you right here what I can do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll write. My handwriting is pretty bad, but it recognizes it. So I go ahead and write out an equation and finish writing this out. It recognizes it as I'm doing it. And there you go. Now I've written out the equation. Okay. So I'll go ahead. I'll hit enter, and like that, it solves it for me. Pretty neat. But not only that, it'll actually teach me how to do it. Watch this. I go ahead and I click on solution steps right here. As I do that, it's actually showing me what I can do, how I can learn what I'm doing right there. And I can solve for Z, I can solve for Y. One of the other cool things I can do is I can actually plot this equation in 3D so I can see what a graph of this looks like. I can go ahead and move that around in a very cool interactive way. So a neat way to kind of bring technology and help out students, right? We're solving problems, we're making learning easier, but while we're helping students, we didn't forget about the teachers, because we love them too. So over here in the corner, on this top shelf right here, I've got something called Windows Multipoint Server. Now let me tell you why this product is awesome.